The FIRSTINFO A1626 keeps your essential gear exactly where you need it. Built with an aluminum body and industrial-strength neodymium magnets, it supports 1 kg per piece, far more durable than standard plastic holders. The universal grip secures everything from rust inhibitors to brake cleaners. Just snap it onto any metal surface and start working. Designed for the real world. The unique open face structure ensures hassle-free access, even when you're wearing heavy workshop gloves. Use the integrated mounting holes for a permanent, secure wall installation in seconds. A professional 3-piece set for a professional workspace. Clean, organized, efficient. Master the reach, master the task. FIRSTINFO tools, precision in every turn.